Have you ever wondered what having a crystal ball for your business would look like? Imagine knowing exactly what's happening in your company at any moment. When you want to understand this month's performance, or someone questions if you're on target, wouldn't it be empowering to answer with not just confidence, but pinpoint accuracy? Mercury Analytics puts the power of data at your fingertips. Watch as real-time dashboards come to life. Whether you're a consultant, team leader, or a business leader, these insights are designed for everyone. Slice and dice to effortlessly segment your data. Filter by roles, locations, or any parameter you choose. Need more detail? Just drill down into the data. From high-level overviews to the smallest details, uncover the insights that matter most to your business. And what if you could predict the future? Analytics is about foreseeing the where, when, and even why before it happens, using historical trends to help you perform at your peak. From strategic hiring and resource planning to focusing on lucrative clients, knowing these critical data points is vital. Mercury makes analytics intuitive, visual, and accessible to everyone. Whether you're a new consultant tracking weekly activities to enhance your performance, or a CFO needing to fine-tune forecasts, Mercury Analytics puts the power of data at your fingertips. Mercury Analytics is seamlessly integrated into the Mercury and Microsoft ecosystem, tailored to show only what's relevant to each team member based on their role. It's analytics democratized for everyone. And let's talk about security. With Microsoft's trusted platform, your data is not just powerful, it's also protected. Now is the time to unlock the full potential of your data with Mercury Analytics. Empower your team, optimize your operations, and help your business soar.